Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken soup with black-eyed peas. So this is going to be a wonderful, wonderful soup. I usually like to make hopping john at the beginning of the new year, which is a specialty, a southern specialty using black-eyed peas. I never got to do it, so I am taking this opportunity to do something with our black-eyed peas. This is our chicken meat. It's frozen. I already cut it up. This was the leftover chicken breast from our rotisserie chicken, the herb de Provence, so please check out that video. And I already have our cooked black-eyed peas. That's 1 pound that was cooked. This is our pasta. I'm using mini shells. It's half a box already cooked and chilled, and 1 can of corn. I've got 3 carrots, 3 celery, and 1 Spanish onion. So I'm gonna get these peeled and sliced, this sliced, and then our fresh thyme. So we're gonna use about half this box and put it in to season it. And of course, our beautiful chicken broth that we just made. I have plenty of it already back here, ready to go. And so please let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
We have our mise en place ready, so we're gonna start off with a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm using my large stock pot. Obviously, if you don't have one this big at home, no worries. That's just because all of my fresh chicken broth is in this pot. And so to this, we're gonna add in our onions and saute them until they are nice light golden brown on the edges. So I'm getting a nice little light golden brown color on the edges of the onions. So now I'm gonna add in our carrots and let those saute for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add in our celery. Now that those are nice and tender, we're gonna add in the celery and cook those for a couple of minutes, stirring them in, and then we will start adding in our chicken, corn, black-eyed peas, the thyme, and bay leaves. This is smelling so good. Now we're gonna add in our chicken. Still a little frozen in the center, don't worry. We're gonna add in our corn, black-eyed peas. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. A handful of sprigs of fresh thyme. Don't worry, we're gonna take those twigs out at the end. And our 2 bay leaves. Those 2 we will take out at the end. And then to this, we're gonna add, there's our fresh made chicken broth. Of course, if you don't have the fresh made, please don't stop from making this. Buy the bottled or packaged version, canned version in the grocery store and make this recipe anyhow. I'm gonna add 6 cups of broth to this now and simmer it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, then I'm gonna add the already cooked pasta, because this is already cooked and I don't want it to sort of disintegrate into the soup. So we're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes, and then I will add the pasta and add more chicken broth if necessary. All right, this has been simmering now for about 30 minutes, actually, I stepped away. And so now we're gonna add in our pre-cooked shell pasta, and I have a tablespoon of kosher salt. Now, I don't have any salt, added salt in our chicken broth. So if you are using commercial chicken broth or chicken stock, that has a lot of salt in it. So please reduce that tablespoon to maybe only a teaspoon and taste it at the end before you add in an entire tablespoon of salt, because that may be way too salty. So remember, I'm using our freshly made chicken broth, which I did not add any salt to. So 1 tablespoon of salt to this may seem like a lot. However, if you are using the commercial chicken broth stock out of a can, out of a box, it is very salty, and you don't want to add an entire tablespoon, maybe only a teaspoon or even a half teaspoon. So please taste before you add in all of that salt. Thank you. All right, here it is, our finished soup. It's been simmering for a while. It looks wonderful. It's filled with all of those vegetables. And here, I'm gonna serve it in a bowl, and then we're gonna give it a little garnish. Sorry, so much steam, the camera's not focusing, but there we go. Look at that beautiful soup with all of those wonderful veggies and fresh herbs. Our black-eyed peas. Here we go, beautiful, and some parsley right on top to give it a little garnish. Makes it look absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to start eating this. It's great. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make this soup at home. And please check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.